Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how smartphones are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The robotic systems move the silicon wafers with sub-micron precision. Once inside the chamber, the materials are...
Check the thermal readout on Sector 4. The yield rate just dropped.
I see it. Rerouting the power sequence now.
The silicon wafers are precisely handled by the robotic systems and moved in processing chambers, transforming